Bats. Okay, redeemed yourself. And she's on land, cannot possibly drown. I didn't see any predators there. I'm going to move the boat. So we're right on her. Track it, please. Where the hell is it? There it is, right there. Okay, let's park the boat so the door's right on it. So we come right out the door to her. There we go. Okay. Shut this door. Put all this stuff away again. Because we got to fast travel back and see how things are going in the breeding center. Now that we've got this bird going. It should be good. Should be good. Another one of those. I'm not going to trank you yet. I'm also going to stop wasting gas. No! Let's go see how things are doing on the breeding center. You know what we're going to do right now? Yes, check and see that you have hands. Oh, look, I have hands. I am shocked. Now you can do stuff. Shouldn't have to type in admin cheat save world. No, just save. Why are you being so verbose? And it isn't a cheat. Saving the game is not cheating. Oh yes, we got some Eggos. Great, now we have a lost friggin' Rex. Come on! God damn, they broke this so bad. Okay, slot 5, no good. Actually, slot 5 was friggin' terrible. Slot 6, look at the stamina, no good. Slot 7, okay, 5 and 6 gotta go. I'm picking it. You hear me picking it. There you go. The interface for the incubator is really broken. Look at, I'm pushing. Finally, you actually start moving. Oh, what did I drop? Oh, jeez, that would have been bad. That's all I have here. All right. Don't you have a saddle? And I was just about to put it on you? Yeah. Dry blog, please. What the hell is going on? That's what happened. It starved to death somehow. What the f... Behavior. You should not be on attack target. Okay, so what you're telling me is I should move the Rexes to closer to the feeding trough. I should put them back here. Okay, I can do that. Because it wasn't in the feeding trough, so it just starved. And, you know, that's one of the things that the game doesn't tell you at all. The creature doesn't make any indication that it's hungry. That should be it should start constantly making noise. If it's frickin' starving to death, it should make noise about that. Okay, are you? Yes, you're now within trough zone. And now I see, like I am, making noise. I'm starving, I'm starving. Oh, shut up, you know you're not. I didn't realize that was happening. It should be giving some indication. Oh, by the way, that one is starving to death. Maybe you want to do something about it? Nah, we don't need to tell you that. Your creatures wouldn't make any noise the fact that they're starving to death. They just stand there stoically and starve. I don't think they would. Oh yeah, I'm going to need the saddle. Because we don't have any more. Because the saddle building stuff is on the boat. There we go. Everybody's still in range. 16 minutes to mate. 33 minutes. Let go of me! And 10 minutes. Okay. How are you doing? You guys all starving to death too and just not saying anything? No, you're fine. You're fine. And you're fine. And you're not within... Whatever! Chuck that. Fast travel. To the yacht. To the love boat. Yep. You stay asleep. I'm gonna get you a little more fish meat. Just to be on the safe side. Then I'm going to get the heck out of here again. I'm going to put that back because it won't go with me anyway. We've got our two breeding pair of Pelagornis. So then for next time, we got 4 ready of the 5. Okay, the question is, do we have a better male in there? Lower level, but really good stats. So I think that may... Oh, no. There you go. But the combat is... The weight is higher, but the level is good. And 7... Oh, they're all males. We don't want males. We want females. Okay. Slot 3. Let's hatch slot 3. Or let's jump up and down instead of opening thing. '83 male, first generation. To be second generation, both of its parents need to be first generation. Okay. Come away from that, please. Come on. Okay. And there was one female in here. Slot 1 is the only female. Yeah, everything else is friggin' males. And we need more breeders, so let's get you out. You are 82 female, first generation. There we go. Okay, come away from the incubator a bit, please. Don't stand right on your brother. That would be helpful. Because I have to use this bed to get where I'm going. To the yacht. Oh, you rat bag! Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Do you see that? That was a Pegamastic stole my narcotics. Woohoo! Not bad. Not bad, Pelagornis. All right. Okay, it still doesn't know how to back up. We got our narcotics back. Cannot believe that friggin' Rex starved to death. Unfrackin' believable. Okay, it's in the boat, right? Yes.